Your social media feed serves up an ad for a dress that looks like it belongs on a runway in Milan. The fabric appears luxurious. The cut is sophisticated. There is a moving story about family heritage and a passion for timeless design. This is the world of Andreas Oriano. At first glance, it looks like a high-end fashion destination that you can trust with your wardrobe and your hard-earned money. But if you dig just an inch below that polished surface, the reality becomes much more mysterious. The digital footprint of this brand is incredibly thin. If you go looking for independent feedback, you will hit a brick wall. Their profile on major review sites is a total void. There are no customer testimonials. There are no star ratings. It is a complete ghost town. For a label that presents such a refined image, this lack of public history is a major warning sign. When you consult the technical experts, the news does not get much better. Major scam detection platforms have flagged this site as questionable. We are talking about trust scores that hover right around 50%. In a world where you want high certainty, a 50% score is a massive gamble. The site itself is a newcomer to the internet landscape. The domain was only registered in late October 2024. It is a digital infant. It has no long-term track record of fulfilling orders or handling customer service issues. To add another layer of mystery, the people running the store have chosen to hide their identities. They are using a privacy proxy to keep their names and location off the public record. Now, this does not automatically mean they are doing something wrong. Many legitimate businesses use privacy tools. However, when you combine that secrecy with a brand new website and a total lack of reviews, the risk level starts to climb. There are a few bright spots. The website does use standard security encryption. It is not currently appearing on major security blacklists. This means it is likely an active retail site rather than a known malicious trap. But being functional is not the same thing as being reliable. You're looking at a classic situation of mixed signals. The marketing is top tier, but the background data is shaky. If you decide to take the plunge, you must be strategic. Do not dive in with a massive order. Treat it as a small experiment. Pick one item and see what actually shows up at your door. Check the return policy with a critical eye before you click buy. Always use a payment method that offers strong protection for your money. If the dress never arrives or looks nothing like the photos, you want a way to get your cash back. The internet is full of beautiful storefronts that disappear as quickly as they arrive. Andreas Oriano might be a rising star or something else entirely. Until more people start sharing their actual experiences, you are a pioneer. Being a pioneer is exciting, but it is also dangerous. Keep your guard up and let the data guide your decisions rather than just the pretty pictures. Genuine brands build trust over time through consistency and transparency. Right now, this store has the style but lacks the substance of a proven track record. Be smart and stay safe out there.